Level 2.5 is all about order of operations, which we call GEMDAS, grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we should be familiar. We can create our GEMDAS tower. We should know why the M and D are linked together. That means if all I have is multiplication, division, I just do them left to right. Addition, subtraction, if that's all that's left, you do it left to right. So we should see, start at the top of your tower, do you have grouping symbols? Yes. So we have to do, within the grouping symbols, we have to do order of operations. So you have a minus and an exponent. So my grouping symbols don't go away yet. I still just got to do 2 squared. And 2 squared is 2 times itself twice. But 2 times 2 is 4. I can go ahead and start part of this parenthesis too. So there's only addition. So 15 plus 3 is 18. So continue with grouping symbols. We're still there. We still have them. So 40 minus 4 is 36. I can bring down the division. These parentheses aren't doing anything more, so I can bring down the 18. So my grouping symbols are done. I have no more exponents. All I have is division, so there's not really anything to think about. It's just 36 divided by 18, and that equals 2. If you don't believe me, put 36 in here and put 18 there and figure out how many times 18 goes into 36. But it is 2, and long division wise, you can't get an 18 to fit into 3. It's 0. Then you ask how many 18s go into 36. So you start adding by 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. So it took 2 of them to get there. Okay, here's our second question. We're going to do the same thing. We GEMDAS this. So do you have grouping symbols? Yes, they're there. So 10 plus 4 is 14. You just got to bring that exponent with it. Plus 16 divided by 8. So our GEMDAS, the G is done. Now we look for exponents, and we actually have some. So 14 squared. So 14 squared is 14 times 14. So 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. Now hold a place value, so you can do 1 times 4 is 4, and then 1 times 1 is 1. So 691. So we can put 196 for that 14 squared. Just bring the rest of it down. Sorry, it's not a 2, it's an 8. Not sure why I wrote that. Okay, so we finished the exponent. Now we're looking for multiplication or division, and we got division. So I can circle my division and say, this is what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to bring the 196 and the plus sign. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So my division, my multiplication are done. Now I just look. I have addition or subtraction. I have just addition. So 196 plus 2 is 198.